Welcome dudes and dudettes to this video where I'm going to show you how you can create a form or a survey with Airtable. That's even possible in the free plan. That's especially awesome because a lot of survey tools actually do have a question restriction, whereas Airtable does not. The only thing that Airtable does is give you some restriction when it comes to the layout of the form, but other than that, you're free to have pretty much everything you want to know in an Airtable form. It's basically an advanced spreadsheet, or basically a database, and that's what makes it super awesome. Also, I personally really like the way it looks. So yeah, it's built up with workbases, and you have to create a workbase that you then have to prepare your spreadsheet with all the questions that you want to be in the form. So let's just say you always need the name or some first unique identifier, that's mostly the name. And then you can go ahead and either delete the fields that are here, so let's delete those two, and add new ones. So you can see there are various options that you can use. They even have rating, you see? So you can even ask people how they liked something, from 5 to 10, how much they liked something, how did you like the event? And you have to just go in and add the question at the field description and then click on save and add a new one. That's a single text line. It could be a longer text. You could have attachments added to it. You can have checkboxes there. You can have multiple selections there, which is nice because you can have it colored. Yes, no, maybe. I like that. Anyway, will you participate? Yes. Save that. And like that, you can basically build a very complex form that a lot of survey tools don't have in that capacity, I would say. So once you've done that, let's change that to something, a date maybe. You can also include a time field if you want, but we don't do that now. And then click save. And then in order to create the form, you have to click on where it says grid view, and you see that there are various views that you can check out your spreadsheet as, which is also really nice, especially when you want to look at whatever came through your form. But then you click on form and you will see most of the questions are already there. When they're not, you can see them listed on the left hand side and you can start to drag and drop them over. So here you can already see that's the form description. You can give it a name, survey event, for example. The logo add-on is part of the pro plan as well as the cover image, but I still think it has a nice UI, nice user experience as well. Therefore, I'm not too sad. You can add a description if you want to know more. If you participated in this event and enjoyed it, give me your feedback below. Does not make sense because we want bad feedback as well, or at least constructive feedback, because you suck, didn't help, doesn't help anyone. Yeah, and that when that's all here, you can then click on share form here at the top. Here is the URL, and that's the URL that you have to send to people. That's our survey. And when people fill it out, let's do that now. I obviously loved it. You can select an option, and you see what I said, it's colored, which I find really nice. And then a date, and then click on submit. You can see thanks for submitting the form. You could redirect people to a URL only in the pro plan. Otherwise, you can have the message. You can enable that it will be sent to you, but we haven't done that. But obviously now if we go back to the grid view, we will be able to see our results. So these few, they were all just there because I was playing around with it, and that's the record that I added. So we will have it here in the spreadsheet view, but you can also go to the gallery view, which is really nice. Then you have a lot of separate cards and you can click on it and you can scroll through it like this as well. And that's how you can use Airtable to create super smooth, awesome forms. I hope it was helpful and see you again next time. I even snipped right now. Bye. that's it for today. So if you've liked this video and it was helpful at all, give me a thumbs up or give me a few comments below. Or you can subscribe to my channel, but I'm not sure where it is. So maybe it's a red button, has a bell on it. So click the bell and follow my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!